It is October 2011, and I'm making video of a METRA at the Roselle station. I believe this is the Tron today. And Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to make a video of a Tron. People get to ride these Trons are lucky fucking bastards, and people live in the Chicago area. I miss the Chicago area. It's so exciting to make videos of Trons. Fucking cough I have to get. Oh, I'm sick of this fucking coughing. All because I have Asperger's syndrome and have so many obsessive compulsive disorders, and gotta make sure I get enough Tron videos during this visit. And the windows of that car and that Tron are bigger than the windows of this car on the Tron. The way I'm wearing my shirt that says I have Asperger's, what's your excuse? The Tron is leaving the station. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. I wish I was still living in the Chicago area. The windows of that car in the Tron are even bigger. You don't have enough Trons in Murderopolis. Oh God, I have to take a piss. I have to wait till I think and get some to a bathroom. The Trons are fucking cool. Oh, my throat is fucked from that cough.